Hello, I'm Sarah from Run Jump Scrap and I'd like to introduce my husband Chris. He's going to be doing a video today on a product review and demonstration, and I'll be joining in to help him out a little bit further along during the video.
Hi, I'm Chris, the other half of Run Jump Scrap. Today we will be unboxing and test driving the Rug Doctor Deep Carpet Cleaner. We'll be trying it on the upholstery of my car. So yeah, here we go. Hi, so I hope you enjoyed that speed unboxing. So here we are in all its glory, the Rug Doctor. Obviously this is the main appliance. We also have the upholstery hose. Okay, so this is where you pull out all the suck out all the wastewater for your upholstery. It's also got a cleaning fluid feed in there. So you spray the water, you suck it up. You'll see that later on. That's the clean water tank with the cleaning fluid in it. That's the dirty water tank which sucks it in. Okay. There are two modes of operation, like I showed you with this. This is the appliance, but also the main carpet cleaner thing as well. So you use it a bit like a vacuum cleaner. We've got three cleaning fluids here. One is for upholstery, one is for carpets, and one is a deep detergent, much more strong. Okay. So yeah, we will be giving it a try now. Okay, so we are going to use the Rug Doctor Oxy Power Fabric Cleaner here on a car interior. So what I've done is I've removed the water tank from here already and I pre-filled it with hand hot water. So I'm going to have a go at pouring some of the cleaning fluid in here. Use quite a lot actually, it's 250 ml, so it's about a quarter, just over a quarter of the bottle. So I will need round about 2.5 of these. So I've not practiced this, so I'm not usually the best at working stuff out, so 180 and about half. Smells quite nice actually. So there we go, so that's the cleaner. Okay, and what we do is do that up nice and tight. And plug it in. Now I have not practiced this at all, so this is the first time I'm doing it, so this is an indication of how easy it really is. Okay, cool. Right, so water's ready to go now, we need to attach the nozzle. So again, what we have is very, very easy to attach up. So you have this little nought there, you have a little nought there. So what you do is you plug it in like that, line it up, twist it round, job done, nice and easy. Again with the fronts, so we can find the zero there, okay, find the zero there, line it up, plug it in, and there's a nice arrow telling you which way to twist, ready to go, nice and easy. I'll just make sure I put it back up on there so I don't knock it over. Now, all we need to do is get an extension lead outside to my car, wheel this outside. It's got nice, easy wheels, so even though this is quite heavy, the wheels are nice and big so you can take it out very, very easily. So let's go. Right, so the stain in question down here, this is a milk stain from my daughter's bottle. It's been really hard to remove, so we're going to give this a try with the handheld attachment here. The machine here is already filled with water, as you just earlier saw. And what we've got to do, we press the trigger, we squirt it on. So what we need to do first is we need to switch the tool on here. So you've got the carpet cleaner, you really don't do that when it's outside because it'll start cleaning the driveway. So we stick the tool on. It's going to be very loud, so you'll just have to watch, I won't be able to talk over it. I'm going to stop there. So I've been having a go at this now for about a minute. Okay, so not very long. I think you can already see. Okay, there's a slight ring there now, but I'll tell you what, that's made a huge difference. It also smells pretty good too. So I've actually started extending the job. Okay, I've started doing the rest of the seat because actually it's coming up pretty good. Okay, so I've done the 2 front seats of my car and I'm impressed. If you can see here, I haven't actually used that much water, which is great. So I can really do the whole car quite comfortably on one dose. Okay, so with this fluid, we've used about a quarter of it, so you could do your car 4 times quite comfortably. The water that's come off that is actually gross. It's browny grey drain water, so it's taken a lot of dirt off there. Now the stain that we looked at, it hasn't completely gone. It's not noticeable anymore, which is great. Now that was with the regular stuff. If we really wanted to go to town on it, we could use the concentrated, really strong stuff. Now we haven't tried that yet. Maybe I will later on. That looks strong because it does have warnings on it as well, so you would need to be careful when using that. Overall conclusion though, I am very, very impressed. I think I'm actually going to try this out on the sofa now, and I'm not a cleaner. Okay, so as my husband said at the end of the last video, he was going to go out and try and clean our sofa, but I thought I'd have a little go this time. So what I'm looking at today is the arm of our sofa, which is actually, I don't know if you can see at the end of the back here, really dusty and really mucky, because it's an area that I haven't cleaned for quite a long time. So I thought today I'd have another go with the upholstery part of the Rug Doctor. So I'm going to switch it on like my husband did earlier. It's going to be quite noisy, so I won't be able to talk over it, but hopefully you'll be able to see what's going on and how easy the Rug Doctor is to work. Okie dokes. Back on it. So as you can see, the Rug Doctor has done a brilliant job on this. It's taken up all the dust. It's damp, but it's not really wet because it does really suck everything. It looks like all the remaining water up afterwards. And as with my husband's car, it's done another really good job.